welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to make this Potli bag. It is very easy to make, you just need few materials. So without much blabbering, let's see the tutorial.
First of all, you need to cut out two circles, one out of lining and another out of the velvet fabric. Circumference of this circle is 15 inches. Also cut two rectangular pieces of 16 by 9 inches, again from velvet and another from lining fabric, and two small rectangular pieces of 4 by 7 inches for making belt or string case for the bag. We will fold the sides of the small rectangular pieces. And leaving a half inches from the bottom of the bigger rectangle, stitch the tassel lace one above another. I have this lace which is much broader than I needed, so I'm just taking out the part I like. I will stitch it on top of all the tassels. Now we have to join the circle with the rectangular piece. To do that, stitch the sides of the rectangular piece first. Then to stitch it with the circle, I'm pinning it first. Now we will do the same with the main fabric. To give it some base at the bottom, I am using a lid of the disposable food box and then adding the lining. I will attach the lining with the main fabric in a way that the seam will not be visible from the top. In short, I will be turning it inside out. I am adding boning as well to maintain its structure and make it look firm and nice. Now I will hand stitch the opening left between lining and the main fabric. Fold the sides of the smaller rectangular pieces. Attach it to the bag like a belt on the pant and make a case within it for a string. Once done, add smaller strip on the sides. I'm using this mala or bead string for making handles, but I have added more threads to the string to ensure and make it stronger to hold the weight of the bag. Second last thing is to add the fastening strings. I'm using two strings here, making U on either sides. Also, I used the leftover tassel lace at the ends of the strings to complete the bag. I hope you like the video and will try it. Do like, comment, share this video and subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet.